Hello friends, Rusty Miner coming at you with a knife review. Today we're coming at you with a knife I have shown a brand. This brand is Schrade. So we're taking a look at the Schrade Divergent. We'll go ahead and get started on this. Also in this video we're going to talk about other axis lock knives in the same price range. So stick around. Okay, so taking a closer look here at the outside of the knife, we have G10 handles. They're, eh, yeah, they provide grip, you know. It is an open frame construction. We do have a lanyard hole here. Reversible pocket clip. That's what the pocket clip looks like. Okay, looking at it there. There's your thumb studs. We'll go ahead and open it up. So it does open as a thumb stud, like a thumb stud, and part of the reason I like this knife is because of the blade. Those of you who watch this channel know I like this harpoon style. Plus it has this nice fuller. Pretty interesting there. Nice hollow grind. This is Oz 8 steel. Does have the ability here for some sharpening. You can kind of see that sharpening choil there. Oh. Now, let's check out. Yeah, this one did come loose from the factory, but I tightened it up. And, well, let's open this up a bit. Oh. Okay, so if you just work with it a little bit, there we go. You can get the hang of it. And that's how your access lock works. Found these, I got mine off of Amazon for like $22. They're now $29. And Schrade is having a sale, and I see on the Schrade website where they're $22.50. Okay, so I don't know about shipping and that kind of stuff, but let's go ahead and get a sharpness test done. Stick around. Okay, so first we'll give it a go with some paper. Yeah, factory edge here, guys. Very good. Seems to do very good. Well, let's try the foam peanut test. Yeah, not much there. So it doesn't start anything till about right here. So I would say right there is where it starts. All this does not seem to be sharpened that well. So it should be an easy tune-up. It's just Oz 8. So what I wanted to do next is compare it to some competition. Oh, wanted to know what you guys think. After I got this knife, I noticed it looked a little bit like the Asher Sentry 2. C-E-N-T-R-I. Sentry 2.0. So you guys let me know. Take a peek at that. Take a peek at this. So what do we have for competition? Well, you guys saw recently had the Gonzo. This is the G7531M. So the Gonzo, this Gonzo is actually a little bit smaller. 440C, under 20 bucks for this on Amazon. The G10 is very similar. In fact, pretty interesting there. So, axis lock, clip. Alright, well, let's compare it to Effengrau 950. The Effengrau 950 run you about $26 on Amazon, and this one, like I said, is under 20. We're looking at G10. I did dye this one and D2 steel. So yeah, 950's got a longer blade and a bigger handle. So that's what we're looking at. Again, now this Effengrau, guys, it doesn't really require any flicking, so that's kind of cool. With the Gonzo, so I've been working on getting this broke in. Yeah. Okay, and finally another Gonzo, and if you can find this one, this one's the D. Okay, can't see it. D704. Maybe you guys can see it in there. So, take a peek at this. And this was $24 here recently. It's a bigger knife, but it's still comparable. So, $2 more. Get a little bit bigger. And, you know, and this thing lock up. So I don't know if you can find the D704. I can't find it anymore, but you can look for a G704, which would be in 440 steel. So let's kind of do these by size here. And kind of give you a look at some of the choices for your budget axis locks that are out there. Okay, guys, thanks for tuning in.